2012 Ford Edge V6 non-turbo. It's got manifold converters there and there. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. Then we did a resonator delete and did a muffler delete and put a Y pipe in its place there with 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, into 4-inch tips. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you dual them out. Hopefully it'll sound really nice. He wanted it as loud as possible. Ford Edge. 2002 Ford F-250 V8 Triton. Beast. What we got done, it's got stock converter, stock exhaust, stock manifold. There's that gigantic catalytic converter here. Then it's 3-inch pipe all the way back. We did a muffler delete, 3-inch right there. And then continued his tailpipe, the 3-inch, into a massive 5-inch black tip. Because, you know, why not? There it is. That's how you guys do a muffler delete on these. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that beautiful stuff you guys do. Thank you. 2002 Ford Excursion V10 Beast. This is the converter that was on it. This is the muffler that was on it. What we did, he wanted it to flow. So here it is, the stock downpipes there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then what we put on it is a high flow 3-inch in, 3-inch out catalytic converter, 3-inch pipe all the way back. Then connected it to his original tailpipe and put a massive 5-inch tip in the place of this one right here. Here it is. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. Ford Excursion V10. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. How you like the sound. Again. Much better. That's nice. It needs to be louder. I know how to make it louder. 2002. Again. Right on 114. You see how much you need a tip on yours. That looks good though. When it's up there, it didn't. It was like when it's up high, but when it's on the ground, it's all right. That's throaty, man. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Look at that beast. Sound Ford Excursion V10. Sounds so much better now. You like it? You can't hear me. Too loud, you can't even hear me. Hope you guys like it. I like it. It sounds awesome. What do you guys think? Let us know. Hope you guys like it. Out of a Ford Edge, Don. Hell yeah. Get on it, okay?
Here's some gas. Pull out.
Ford Excursion 2002 V10.